In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to create better LinkedIn content faster. If you want to post more consistently on LinkedIn without staring at a blank screen every time, this process can make things much easier. The goal is not to let AI replace your voice, but to use it as a smart writing assistant that helps you brainstorm, structure, and refine your ideas. Start by opening ChatGPT and clearly describing your LinkedIn audience. Explain who you want to reach, what industry or niche you're in, what problems your audience cares about, and what kind of content they usually respond to. The more specific you are here, the more useful the output will be. Think of this as giving context to a new team member so it understands who you're speaking to. Next, ask for LinkedIn content ideas based on your niche. This is a great way to generate fresh angles when you feel stuck or when you want ideas that match your expertise. You can use these suggestions to plan educational posts, opinion pieces, personal stories, or practical tips that your audience would actually find valuable. Once you have a few strong ideas, use ChatGPT to create post hooks and outlines. A hook is especially important on LinkedIn because it helps stop the scroll and encourages people to keep reading. An outline, on the other hand, gives your post structure so your message feels clear rather than scattered. After that, ask ChatGPT to turn your ideas into full LinkedIn posts. At this stage, you're moving from brainstorming into drafting. Let it create complete versions that you can react to, improve, and shape into something that fits your style. Then request different versions in different tones or formats. For example, you might want one version that sounds more professional, one that feels more casual, or one that's concise and direct. This helps you explore different ways to communicate the same idea and can also help you match the tone to your audience. Now add your own examples, stories, and opinions. This is one of the most important parts of the process because it brings originality and credibility to the post. Your experience is what makes the content feel real and memorable. Then edit the final post so it sounds human. Smooth out any awkward phrasing, remove anything that feels overly generic, and make sure it reflects how you naturally speak and write. Finally, publish the content and track which posts perform best. Pay attention to engagement, saves, comments, and what topics seem to connect most with your audience. Over time, that feedback will help you create stronger content more efficiently.